Good morning, all of you. I Razia Patan from Gnan Manji Vidyapit, Standard 4th. So, students, today we'll start unit number 2nd, subtraction word problems in worksheet number 5th. In that worksheet, solve the following questions in your notebook. So, here is some word problems are there. So, today we'll start that. In that word problems, first one question is a potter makes 4,115 cookies पोट इन ईयर 1 ईयर में वो 4,115 कुकीज़ वो बनाते हैं, ठीक है, पोट्स करते हैं. ही मैनेज टू सेल 3,819 पोट्स. वो कितने पोट्स से वो सेल करते हैं? 3,819. नाउ हाउ मेनी पोट्स आर लेफ्ट विथ हिम. हाउ मैनी पॉट्स आर लेफ्ट विथ हिम, उसके पास अभी कितने पॉट्स है वो रिमेन है, वो हमें फाइंड करना है. सो इन दिस केस वी हैव टू सॉल्व द सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स यूजिंग द नारोज मेथड. वी हैव टू फॉलो सम स्टेप्स एंड देन वी हैव टू डू द सम्स. So students, I'll show you that. So here we have to write here standard 4th, subject maths, standard 4th, subject maths, unit number 5. Today's date is, which one is date? 11/6. Unit number 5, worksheet number, unit number 2nd, worksheet number 5. Subtract the word problems. Subtractions word problems. In that word problems we have to use the Narrows method. So first one sum. Step number 1 is we have to find the numbers and keywords. So numbers is 4,115 cookies, cooking pots, and 3,819 selling pots. Step number 2, ask. What they are asking that how many pots are left with him. How many pots are left with him? Step number 3, D, that means draw for understand. So in that we have to draw here true boxes. In that first box we have to write 4,115, second one 3,819. Step number 4, operation. So which operation will use? So we have to use the subtraction. Subtractions will use. Step number 5 is the solution. So we have to draw here box. In that box we have to write here ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Then we have to write 4,115 minus 3,819. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 9. 5 on your 5 minus 9 is not possible. Cut 3, cut 1, write here 0, cut 5, write here 1, 5, 15. 15 minus 9, 15 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50. Cut 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So remain number is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have to write here 6. 0 minus 8 is not possible. Cut 4, write there 3. Cut 0, write here 10. 10 minus 8, 10 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We have to cut the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So remain number is a 1 and 2. So we have to write here 2. 3 minus 3, 0. So our answer is how many pots are left with him. So here we have to write the answer. There are 216 pots are left with him. Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to write this sum in your maths notebook. Now this sums you have to write in your maths notebook, because of here is a no any sum, no any places is here. So you have to write these sums in your maths notebook. I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to complete your work. First of all, you have to write the step number first, second, third and fourth. After that, I'll show you a step number fifth. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now I will show you a step number 5. Look at this. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum, second one sum. Now second one, B1 sum is an oil tank with the capacity of 1,66,353 barrel drop off 1,09,000 barrel at the port of Kolkata. How many barrels does it have remaining? Now a oil tanker with the capacity of 1,66,353 barrels. Okay, and then barrels drop off. कितने barrels वो drop हो गए? 1,09,000 barrels at the ports of Kolkata. How many barrels does each have been remain? अभी कितने barrels से वो remain है वो हमें find करना है. Okay, that we have to find. So students, we have to follow some steps and we'll get the answer. So let's start the steps. B1 sum. In that, step number 1, we have to find the numbers and keywords. So number is 1,66,353 barrels drops, and 1,09,000 barrels at port of Kolkata. Port of Kolkata. Step number second, ask. What they are asked to us, they are asking that how many barrels does it have remaining. कितने बैरल्स है वो बाकी है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड इट. ओके, देन स्टेप नंबर 3. Step number 3 is a draw. So here we have to draw the two boxes. In that box we have to write 1,66,353. Then we have to write 1,09,000. And step number 4. Step number 4 is the operation. Which operation we'll use? So here we have to use the subtraction. So we have to write subtraction. Okay students, now we'll start step number 5. Step number 5 is a solution. So we have to draw the place value tables first. In that tables, we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. We have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000 and lakhs. So we have to write here 1,66,353 minus 1,09,000. 1,09,000. Now 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 0, 3. 6 minus 9 is not possible. So we have to cut the 6. Write there 5. Cut 6. Write here 16. Now 16 minus 9. So we have to count 16 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50 and 60. We have to cut the 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So remaining number is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have to write here 7. 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is equal to, how many barrels does it have remaining? So we have to write here there are 57,353 barrels does it have remaining. This one is the answer. So students, here our second one sum is complete. I'll show you a step number 1 to 4th and then you have to write it. So students, here is a step number 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. You have to look at this and write it down in your maths notebook. I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now I'll show you step number 5th. Look at this everyone. Write it down in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum, C1 sum. We'll start that. So students, C1 sums is the Salar Jung Museum in the Hyderabad had 5,95,760 visitors in a January month. January month में यहाँ पे कितने visitors थे? 5,95,760 January 2016 and 6,15,355 in the February month 2016. Okay, so how many more visitors come in the February month than the January month? January month के कंपैरिजन में February month में कितने ज़्यादा visitors हैं वो म्यूजियम देखने के लिए आया? दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड हियर. कितने विजिटर्स है वो म्यूजियम देखने के लिए आया वो हमें फाइंड करना है. ठीक है. सो इन दिस केस वी हैव टू फॉलो द स्टेप्स एंड विल गेट द आंसर. सो हियर वी हैव टू यूज द नैरोज मेथड. ओके एवरीवन. So students, we have to follow the steps. Step number 1, C1 sum here. Numbers and keywords we have to find. So numbers is a 5,95,716 visitors in January. Then 6,15,355 visitors in February. Step number 2, ask what they are asked. They are asking that how many more visitors come in February month than in January. Step number 3 is draw. So we have to draw here two boxes. In the first one we have to write 5,95,760. Second one we have to write 6,15,355. Then step number 4th, operation. So here we have to use the subtraction. Step number 5, solution. So we have to draw. First of all we have to draw place value tables. In that tables we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Okay. Then here we have to write 5,95,760, 6,15,355. Now students, 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Cut 6, write here 5. Cut 0, write here 10. 10 minus 5, 10 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining number is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we have to write 5. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 3, 4 is there. 4 minus 5 is not possible. We'll cut 1, write here 0. Cut 4, write here 40. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 5. So answer is 9. 0 minus 9 is not possible. Cut 5, write here 5. Cut 0, write here 10. 10 minus 9, 1 is there. 5 minus 5, 0. So answer is equal to 6,15,355 minus 5,95,760. So answer is 19,595. This one is the answer. Now students, I'll show you step number 1 to 4th. You have to write in your maths notebook. Okay students, you have to look at this step number 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th and write it down in your maths notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now I'll show you step number 5. Solution is there. Look at this solution everyone and write it down in your maths notebook. Okay students, so I hope your work is complete. Now today we are completed sum number A, B, C. Your homework is you have to complete the sum number D, E and F. You have to complete sum number D, E, F in your maths notebook and write it down in your maths notebook and send it to me homework before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. Before 1:30 you have to send it to me homework in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students, your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.